here is your first look at the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Zyon colourway. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing an unboxing and a review of the latest Yeezy colourway, and that is the Adidas Yeezy 350 V2 in the Zyon colourway, or Zyon depending on how you want to call it. I managed to get quite a few pairs of these. Not all of them have arrived, but I have two here, one from End and one from Hanon, and then I have a small package here as well, which I will be unboxing as well because it is kind of related. So yeah, we're just going to break down my thoughts on this new Yeezy colourway. What do I think of it? How easy it was to get? Should you hold it, resell? Stuff like that. So we'll just get into it. So I'll unbox. Let's unbox the small one first. So as you can see, that box to the side. As you can see, it is a Yeezy 350 V2, but the box is tiny. That's because this is the infant version. It is in a size UK 3K, whatever that means in kid sizing. And let's open it up. I don't know why they now come with this label detached. So move the paper to the side. And here's your first look at the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Zyon colourway. Infants, of course, but still a pretty cool shoe. It'll be a nice little display piece to go with my Jordans that I've unboxed before. So, pretty cool. It does come with the infinity laces, I guess they're called, because they don't have to tie them, so you can just slip them on. It does come with Boost as well, so this will be incredibly comfy if you have a child. I'm just using it as an accessory piece, but still pretty cool. But yeah, that was just a short review of the little one. So I'll move these to the side and actually get into the proper shoes. So I'll unbox the ones from End, mainly because I've already opened these. Just take it out, classic 350 V2 box. So I'll move that on there. I'll have to do the Hanon one as well. Oh, come on. This one I haven't already opened. Here. Great. Well, who makes boxes like this? Really hurt my finger. Move the receipt to the side so you can't see that. And here is the second one. So I did actually win a size 11 as well. These are both size 9. And it was from JD Sports, but they sent me, it was meant to be a size 9 and they sent me a size 11 and it was somebody else's shoe. And then I emailed the person whose shoe it was and they got somebody else's. So JD had an absolute shocker when it came to this release, but luckily I managed to get them from End and Hanon. And I think JD is actually sending me a replacement, so shout out to them. But here is the two. These are both retail pairs. This is not a comparison video. So it's a standard Yeezy 350 box. This is the one from End, so it has the retail sticker right there. And the color code is FZ1267, and it says Zyon, 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 or Zyon if you want to call it that. And yeah, this is a size 9. I went true to size on this, mainly because I wear Yeezys without the insole. Not everybody does this, I just find it comfier, and I guess it's easier to sell if you want to in the end because the insole is always dead stock. This one here is also a size 9. Yeah, I don't know why I always just seem to get 9s, just maybe because it's the easiest size to get, so I always just get quite a few pairs of them. So we'll just unbox them and take a look at the shoe. So here's the receipt. Once again, that label that Adidas is now putting in. Don't know why. Here is your first look at the Yeezy 350 V2 in the Zyon colourway. And by the way, this colourway is nice. I really, really like it. So we'll take out both pairs just because we'll get people in the comments who'll be like, you didn't get 2 pairs, it's just an empty box. So, hate when it makes that noise as well. Don't really know where to put this. So here is the second pair. Once again, has that stupid label. So here are the 2 retail pairs, but before we go into it, I'd like to remind you I am doing a giveaway with Legit Mark. Legit Mark is the safest and most reliable place to get your hype sneakers legit checked. I'm currently partnered with them doing a giveaway of the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toes in the size UK 8.5, and all you have to do is follow the instructions on this Instagram post here, which is on my page at RealorFakeOfficial, and you could be in with a chance of winning them. Legit Mark is different to every other authenticator because they actually have 3 authenticators to every single pair. I have tested them out with a number of Yeezys and a number of different hype sneakers, and they've got every single one correct, so I can safely say they are 100% authentic and reliable. What's different to them and other platforms is they actually offer the authentication services on used sneakers as well. So if you want to give them a try and check them out, the link will be in the description. But thank you to Legit Mark for sponsoring this video. So here is my 2 retail pairs of Yeezy 350 V2 in the Zyon colorway. This one does have the tags attached as well. I just have them folded in for the photo that I put on Instagram, which is here. But yeah, really nice colorway. In my opinion, it's like a cookies and cream colorway. The overall prime net is a cream colorway, and it's got interwoven brown prime net all over it. And I would say the inside pattern, they've changed it, and it actually looks like the inside side is inside out, which doesn't look too bad, to be honest. I just think this middle section here looks a bit weird on the inner side, but other than that, pretty cool. The outer side obviously has the consistent static pattern that you're used to seeing all over the Yeezy 350 V2s now. They don't have a pull tab on this shoe, which still not the biggest fan of. Since they've added the pull tabs, I just think it looks really weird when they don't have the pull tab on it now. So I would have liked a pull tab, maybe in a brown color or even just a cream, the same as the underlying prime net. That would have looked really nice. My biggest flaw with this shoe, however, and I've talked about this so many times, that middle stitching. Ugh, why did they do that? It looks like the early batches of fakes that they put out, and I don't know if they were trying to mimic this just to kind of make fun of that. But it has like, it just looks like it's stapled on all the way along, and it just looks absolutely terrible in my opinion. And it has it on the heel as well, and I'm just not a fan of it at all. And you'll know from my previous videos and everything like that, that I'm not a fan of these at all. So on the outer side of the prime net, we have that classic Yeezy stripe going along the side. And on this pair, it's kind of a dark brown, almost black-like color in certain lightings, but it does have that transparent look to it as well. So you can see, I guess, your fingers if I put them like this, but also your socks when you're wearing it. You can see it coming through. However, it doesn't come through as visibly as obviously on a clear stripe or anything like that, just because of that black mesh material. The laces on the top are the same as the underlying prime net. They have that creamy tanned kind of stone look to them, and I really do like these. My favorite part of the shoe is actually the lace color. I actually am just a huge fan of beige in every single sneaker, and these kind of give me that, I would say they're kind of like the Yeezy 350 V1 Turtle Dove, and this is, I guess, the Turtle Dove 2.0. But I would have preferred if they'd done it like this, which was the April Fool's joke made by Yeezy Mafia, but how good do they look? That would have been so much better. But I guess we'll have to deal with these. But still a nice colorway, just a shame about that middle stitching and no pull tab. If we look at the sole, we have that classic, I guess, creamy white sole with an almost yellow back part to the sole, which curls down underneath. This will yellow a lot when wearing it, which will probably give it that ugly look at the heel after a while, but there's nothing you can do about that. That's just the materials that they choose to use. Like every Yeezy 350 V2, they have the full boost sole, so it makes these incredibly comfortable and a daily wearer for pretty much everybody. So if you like the color, don't have anything like it in your Yeezy collection, I would say cop 100%. I think it's a really nice color. Just I have my select opinions about certain things. In terms of how hard they were to get, as you can tell, I got quite a few pairs. They weren't that hard. I think I got 5 pairs in total, and the kids size, so, and that's all manual, no bot, nothing, so they were pretty easy to get. In terms of resale, they are still quite good. You can make a little bit of profit, especially on smaller sizes, and I expect the prices will go up just because it is the Turtle Dove 2.0. It has a nice summery color. Not that we're getting a summer anyway because of the coronavirus. I will now just give you some b-roll of the shoes. You can check them out. What do you think of these? Would you cop? Did you cop? Let me know in the comments down below. Maybe I'll do a giveaway because I've got quite a few pairs, don't know. If you would like a giveaway, let me know down below as well in the comments. And best of luck in the Legit Mark competition. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day. you.